So in the folder of PHP course, I'm going to create a new folder with the name of cookie, and inside it I'm gonna add this simple.php file with my Komodo project here. Now let me open this simple.php file in my Komodo, and I'm going to call this file setting cookie, and I'm gonna save it as cookie underscore set.php. Now for setting a cookie you need three things. First will be name of your cookie, second will be content according to your name, and third will be the time, how long you want your cookie to be saved into your browser. So first of all, you need to set your cookie, and you can set it by using set cookie function. And inside it, first of all, you have to give your cookie name. I'm gonna give it name of name, and for content you need to add content as well, and I'm gonna give it content of Jazib to be name. And the third thing will be the expire time, how much time you want your cookie to be stay still alive in your browser, and this time is going to be in seconds, and you can create that time in second. I know it will be difficult for you to set exactly your future time in second, but you can do that by using time function. So in case if I cut this from here, and first of all I'm gonna show you time function. So here is my variable of expire time, and we have this function of time that is going to tell you about the current your computer time. So I equal it with my expire time variable, and on the next line I'm just going to echo this variable of expire time. And let's concatenate it with time is okay. Saving this one out, we have this file of cookie underscore set.php. in the folder of cookie will be our new folder, and inside that we have this file of cookie underscore set.php. now you can see, now my current time of my computer is in second is 1488 134 264. So if I refresh it again, we can see that it changed because it's a second time. Anyways, now I showed you the time function. So now back to our cookie. So in the third parameter we have to give a time, how long we want our cookie to stay still alive in our browser. So I'm gonna equal it with this expire time variable that I equal it with my time function. So this is our current computer time in second. So if I want to set a cookie for a week, I have to first of all calculate my time in second, and it will be 60 second in 1 minute, 60 minute in 1 hour, and we have 24 hours in a day. So for one day, if we want to give your cookie a life of one day, then you have to add 86400 right here, and you can add it with your current time. So this cookie will be for one day, and after one day it's going to be delete semicolon at the end. So if I want to create one more cookie of my age, it would be like same, giving it name of age, and my age is 24, and similarly the expire time as well. So now our cookie is set. So by using print r we can see the structure of our this super global variable of cookie. I can say I want to see the structure of this super global of cookie. Saving this one out, refreshing the page. Now we have this array. So if I want to see my cookie of name, I can say that echo cookie of name, and I can say echo my name is this cookie concatenation of name concatenated with another string, and my age is cookie of age semicolon at the end and concatenation dot here. Saving this one out, and if I show you its output, you can see my name is Jazib, cookie name of Jazib, and my age is 24. And in Mozilla Firefox, in the option you can also check whether you created your cookie or not. So in the history panel, use custom settings for history, and here you can see show cookies. So if I click on this show cookies, now you can see we have this cookie of localhost because we are working on our localhost. And if I click on this, now you can see we have this cookie of name and age that we just created. This one is my old cookie right here. And in the name you can see I have the name of Jazib, and in the age I have this content to be 24, and this cookie will be expire after 1 day. On today is Sunday and it's 26th February, so this cookie will be expire on February 27th. And if you want to close this cookie and remove this cookie, you can do that here by removing selected cookie, or you can remove it by removing all the cookies. Now I don't have any cookie right now at the moment. So this is the way you can set your cookie. In the next lecture I'm gonna tell you how you can unset your cookie.